Good evening, students. I am PM Tiwari and I am a chemistry teacher. All the 11th and 12th class students can easily watch my video lectures, chemistry video lectures on my YouTube video channel, PNT Sir Motivational Speech for Success in Life. सो इस YouTube चैनल पर आप मेरे केमिस्ट्री वीडियो लेक्चर्स को इजीली देख सकते हैं और उनकी हेल्प से अपनी केमिस्ट्री की स्टडी को रेगुलरली कर सकते हैं अपने घर पर रहकर. So in our last video lecture we have done classification of halogen derivatives of an alkane, and today I will explain you some important examples of monohalogen derivative, dihalogen derivative, trihalogen derivative and tetrahalogen derivatives of an alkane. So in this class I will explain you primary alkyl halide, secondary and tertiary alkyl halide. So listen carefully and note down some important points of this video lecture. Note down in your copies. So what is the general formula of monohalogen derivative of an alkane? You know that the general formula of monohalogen derivative of an alkane is CnH2n plus 1 into X. So girls and boys, in place of n, if we put value 4, and in place of X if we put value Br, bromine, then what will be the molecular formula of this monohalogen derivative of an alkane? Its molecular formula will be C4H9Br. With this molecular formula we can draw three different kinds of structures. So C4H9Br. So suppose this C4H9Br has structure CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2Br. Then in this organic compound, since this carbon atom of bromine, you know that it is a monohalogen derivative. Why it is a monohalogen derivative? Because this organic compound has only one bromine, and this organic compound, since this carbon atom of bromine is surrounded by only one alkyl group. What is the name of this alkyl group? It is called normal propyl. So since this carbon atom of bromine is surrounded by only one alkyl group, hence it is considered as 1 degree alkyl halide or primary alkyl halide. And how can we write its IUPAC name? Simply, its IUPAC name is 1-bromobutane. So what is the degree of 1-bromobutane? 1-bromobutane is a 1 degree alkyl halide, because in this alkyl halide this carbon atom of bromine is surrounded by only one alkyl group. So this 1-bromobutane is considered as 1 degree alkyl halide. And with this molecular formula we can also draw one more structure of this organic compound like this. Suppose if we change the position of bromine in this organic compound, then its structure will be CH3, CH2, CHBr, single bond CH3. Now in this organic compound, this carbon atom of bromine, carbon atom of halogen element, is surrounded by two alkyl group. Since this carbon atom of bromine is surrounded by two alkyl group, it is surrounded by ethyl group and it is also surrounded by methyl group. सभी बच्चों को समझ में आ रहा है? This carbon atom of bromine is surrounded by two alkyl group. Therefore, this alkyl halide, this monohalogen derivative is considered as 2 degree alkyl halide or secondary alkyl halide. So it is a 2 degree alkyl halide, girls and boys, or it is also considered as secondary alkyl halide. And how can we write its IUPAC name? Its IUPAC name is 2-bromobutane. It is 2-bromobutane. And girls and boys, this 2-bromobutane, since in this 2-bromobutane, this carbon atom of bromine is surrounded by two alkyl group, therefore it is considered as 2 degree alkyl halide or secondary alkyl halide. So all those alkyl halide in which carbon atom of halogen is surrounded by two alkyl group are considered as secondary or 2 degree alkyl halide, and all those alkyl halide or monohalogen derivatives in which carbon atom of halogen is surrounded by only one alkyl group are considered as primary or 1 degree alkyl halide. Result wise, with this molecular formula we can also draw one more structure like this: CH3 single bond CBr single bond CH3 single bond CH3. In this organic compound, since this carbon atom of bromine is surrounded by 3 alkyl group, since this carbon atom of bromine is surrounded by 3 alkyl group, therefore it is considered as 3 degree alkyl halide, 3 degree alkyl halide, or it is also called tertiary alkyl halide. So why it is called tertiary alkyl halide? Because in this alkyl halide, this carbon atom of bromine is surrounded by 3 alkyl group, therefore it is considered as tertiary alkyl halide or 3 degree alkyl halide. And how can we write its IUPAC name? Simply its IUPAC name will be 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. So its IUPAC name is 2-bromo 2-methyl 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. So this 1-bromobutane, 2-bromobutane and 2-bromo 2-methyl propane, all these three compounds have the same molecular formula, but they have the different structure, physical and chemical properties. Therefore these are also called isomers of each other. But these compounds also have the different degree. In first compound, since carbon atom of bromine is surrounded by only one alkyl group, therefore it is considered as 1 degree alkyl halide. In second compound, since carbon atom of bromine is surrounded by 2 alkyl group, therefore it is considered as 2 degree alkyl halide. And in this third compound, since carbon atom of bromine is surrounded by 3 alkyl group, therefore it is considered as 3 degree alkyl halide. So girls and boys, in our next video lecture, we will discuss about geminal halide, Vicinal halide and terminal or alpha omega halide. You know that dihalogen derivatives on the basis of position of 2 halogen element can be divided into 3 categories: geminal halide, Vicinal halide and terminal or alpha omega halide. So in our next video lecture, I will explain you what are geminal halides, Vicinal halides and terminal or alpha omega halides with their IUPAC and common name. So girls and boys, what is the common name of this organic compound? Common name of this organic compound is normal butyl bromide. Commonly this compound is called normal butyl bromide or 1-bromobutane, and commonly this compound is called isobutyl bromide or 2-bromobutane, and commonly this compound is called tertiary butyl bromide, or in IUPAC this compound is called 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. 1-bromobutane 1 degree alkyl halide, 2-bromobutane 2 degree alkyl halide, and 2-bromo 2-methyl propane, it is called 3 degree alkyl halide. So on the basis of degree of carbon atom, all the monohalogen derivatives can be divided into 3 categories: primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl halide. So बच्चे लोग अपनी स्टडी को प्रॉपरली करें घर पर, और इन वीडियो लेक्चर्स की हेल्प से आप आराम से इन चीज़ों को समझ सकते हैं. सो मोनोहैलोजन डेरिवेटिव्स की एग्जांपल्स हैं 1-bromobutane, 2-bromobutane and 3-bromobutane, and these monohalogen derivatives on the basis of degree of carbon atom can be further subdivided into 3 categories: primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl halide. So नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग बात करेंगे जेमिनल हैलाइड, विकिनल हैलाइड एंड टर्मिनल हैलाइड. दीज आर द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ डायहैलोजन डेरिवेटिव. So on the basis of position of 2 halogen element, all the dihalogen derivatives can be divided into 3 categories: geminal, vicinal and terminal or alpha omega halide. So next video lectures में हम इसके बारे में बात करेंगे.